In front of me is OnePlus 60 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on your photos that you wish to add. If you can't find them, select this photo icon on the left. Look for them here by holding one of those, selecting them from one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your pictures, hold the chosen one and tap on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!